What's up, guys? I want to welcome you to this quick t-shirt tutorial. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own custom t-shirt with top 5%. Okay, show you just how simple this is. First thing you want to do, go to top5pct.com. All right, website pops up. Next thing you want to do is click on design your own shirt. Click on design your own shirt, banner, or poster. The online designer launches. Okay, or should I say our shopping cart launches. And as you can see, we have a wide selection of shirts that you can choose from. Got crew necks, scoop necks, V necks, raglans, tanks, shooters, baby onesies, hoodies, ringers, polos. And if you can't find what you're looking for out of this selection, you can click on the e-catalog, where you will find hundreds of other items to choose from. We can order it, we can get it for you. Don't worry about it. If you're looking for it, we can find it. Okay. All right. So while we're here, you can click here where it says click to design your own sign. So let's say you have a business or some type of special event. Let's say you got a graduation or some type of engagement party coming up, whatever it is. You can design your own custom banner. It's an 8-foot, 6-foot, 4-foot, or say you want to poster on your wall. If you have a business and you're looking to add some custom graphics to your business, just click on poster. You can make a custom poster. Also, you can click here to design your own gifts. So if you're looking to design your own custom tote bag, so guys, get your ladies a tote bag, put her name on it, hook her up. It'll be a nice gift. Or ladies, you're going to a baby shower, you can customize the baby bill, put the baby's name on it, put a little graphic on there. I think that'll be pretty cool, to give us a gift for a baby shower. Going to a bachelorette or bachelor party, hey, design some underwear, give that as a gift. Got a pet, hook your dog up with a polo. Got the hoodies, some pajamas. And we're going to be adding more and more as time goes on. And if there's an item that you want to have something designed on, let us know. We can discuss it, talk about it. We might be able to hook you up and put that custom design on your item, on your gift. Okay. All right. So let's get down to business, which is the shirts. This is a t-shirt tutorial. So let's talk about shirts. So anyway, to design your own shirt, just click on the shirt, whatever shirt you want. Okay. It also gives you a size chart here. So if you're not sure if you need a small or extra large or whatever, it gives you the dimensions down here of the shirt, the material, everything is right here for you. So you click on your shirt, click here to design. Okay. You click on design, and this launches the t-shirt designer. Okay. And this is where the magic happens. All right. So the first shirt that pops up is black. That's just the default shirt. You don't have to go with that shirt. You can click here where it says change product color. Change the product color. Maybe you like green, click on green. Or if you like me, you like red, click on red. Bam, there you go. Okay. Now, here you can change your product. Let's say you want to change it to a tote bag, a bib, underwear. You can design on it. But in this case, we're designing on a t-shirt. Okay. So first thing you want to do is add some text. So I'm going to add, let's say, the word lion. I got to select the font I want. So I'm going to choose this Lucifer font. I'm going to click add text. There's our font. Okay. If we want to make this bigger or smaller, go smaller, big, just click on the double arrows, and you can just drag it up or down, and that would make it smaller or larger. You can also click this drag bar over here to the right. That makes it larger or smaller. See that? Simple. You can move it around by just dragging an image. You can you can also mirror the image. See that it's upside down. Mirror it vertically. You can mirror it horizontally. You can use these little arrows here to reposition the text. So let's say you want it at the bottom of the shirt, or you want it at the top of the shirt, or if you want it to the left, to the right, or center. So you have a lot of control over your text image. So that's nice. You got a lot of control. Okay, so also check this out. Let's say we want to make some type of shadow effect. So let's say I want to add a duplicate image. Just click on the duplicate image. If you don't want that, hit the trash can that deletes it. You can also create a duplicate image by clicking on this image here. See a little like two double pages there. You click on that. Okay. All right. Now, let's say I want my shadow effect. I want that to be white. So you click the color, change it to white, drag it on top of that black. Okay. But let's say you want that white underneath the black. Pretty simple. Click on the down arrow. Now it's below the black. Want it above, click on the up arrow. Now it's above it. Again, you have a lot of control over your image. So let's say you want to rotate it. Maybe you want to cock it. See that? You can cock the image. Or rotate it, should I say. So a lot of control. A lot of control. All right. Okay. Let's change that text to white. I think the white looks pretty good on the red. Okay. I like that. Now, so you got your white text. I want to outline that in black. That's right. You can outline your text. So it's already selected black here. So I'm going to outline that in black. The more you slide the slide bar, the heavier it gets. So I'm going to say about right there is cool. Now, in case I didn't mention this, you can upload your own graphic. If you have your own graphic and put it on the shirt. If you got any ideas, you can use any of these idea templates to help you get started. And we have a number of categories for you to choose from. So let's say you wanted to add some clip art to the image. Okay. Let's say we want to go with, let's go with famous people. Snoop Dogg. There you go. So we're going to go with Snoop Dogg. Going to make that graphic bigger. Looks good, but that blue is not working. So we're going to change the color of that blue. We're going to change that dark blue to black. Change that light blue to white. There we go. There we go. Gotta be color coordinated. Have to be color coordinated. All right, so now Snoop Lion. Get it? Snoop Lion. There you go. So we created our graphics on the front of our shirt. $11.99. Can't beat that. You just created your own custom t-shirt for $11.99. Now you can come and pick it up at our location, or we can ship it to you. Doesn't matter. But there you have it. There's your graphic. Now let's say you want something on the back. You may want something, but you know what? Before I even get to that point or go to the back side, I don't know if I've mentioned that you can change the font to, you can curve it, you can arc it, you can have the font elevate from small to large or large to small, create bulges, and there's a lot of things that you can do with that with the font. If you have multiple lines of text, you can center it, you can make it left justified, right justified. Like I said, you got a lot of control over your text. So in this case, I want to put something on the back of the shirt now. So let's go to side 2, which is the back. Okay, it was $11.99 for the front. So now the famous, let's go to animals. Let's add a lion or something, to the back of the shirt. So we click here, lion, and then we can change the color to white. Okay, I like the white. All right, you can move it around. Again, you can shrink it, make it bigger. But there you have it. So there's the back. And let's put that animal on the sleeve. You don't have to design on the back, and you don't have to design on the sleeves. You just want it on the front, you just add it to the front. You just want it. If you just want an image on the back, you can add it to the back. But so anyway, it just gives you an idea of what you can do. So let's put a line on the right sleeve. Let's put it on that was the left sleeve. Let's put it on the right sleeve too. All right, so there's your lion. right there. Okay. All right. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You got a four-sided shirt. Once you're done with your graphic, if you like it, just click next. Simple. Simple. Very simple. But you know what? There was one thing. Let's see. What if I do this? If I use this design again, um, let's go back. It's one thing I wanted to show you real quick. I'm line on the front. Okay, then we're gonna shrink that. I see it. One thing I wanted to show you really quick, and that is, just in case you're wondering, if you're in this design area and you pick this shirt, and let's say all of a sudden you create your design and you don't like the way this is looking, you don't like the way it looks, all you have to do, or let's say you want to change the product, not necessarily not the way that it looks, maybe you want to change the product, you can click on product and you can switch it to a baby bib, or you can switch it to some underwear, or you can switch it to a tote bag. You don't have to, once you start designing, you're not stuck with that shirt. You can always change your mind, and you can switch the product. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that real quick, that you're not stuck with that product. You can always change. You can always go back and change you can always change the product. Okay, gonna make that small again. So I just wanted to show that to you. I didn't want to leave that out in case you were wondering, oh man, I got to go all the way out to the beginning. Okay, so that's our design. Let's click next. Okay. Let it do its thing. Okay, so now, once it's done, it gives you little thumbnail images of what your design, or should I say what your masterpiece looks like. Okay, and let's say you want to get a little tighter look. You want to get rid of all of this stuff. I just want to see the image because it's kind of throwing me off. So you just click on the image. All right, that's where we started at. That's the front of our shirt, back. So now you got a close-up view. But let's say if you got bad eyesight like me, you can click on the magnifier. You can zoom in even more. That's tight, huh? Yeah, I know you like it. I know you like it. So you click on the X to get out of there. You can do the same thing with all sides. You can always zoom in to get a tighter look before you go ahead and pay and see if you like it. And that's it. And also, back in the designer, there was an area that says, there's a button that says save your design. Let's say you weren't sure if you want to stick with that design. You can always save your design and then come back later on to finish it or add more to it. So you don't necessarily have to design it, and then if you want to add something, then you lose everything that you designed. You can just click on save the design, log back into your design to your account, and continue to design. You can continue to design on that same shirt, so you won't lose your art. Okay. All right. So now, once you're done, you put in your quantity, pick how many you want. I recommend that you buy 10. You should always buy 10. You know why? Because you got to support top 5%. Come on. Give it to your mama. Give it to your daddy. Give it to your brothers. Don't just buy one. Get at least 10. 10 of them bad boys, all right? Add it to the cart. Pay with your credit card. Pay with PayPal. We can ship it to you. Or you can stop in our location and pick up your shirt if you want to save on shipping. It's up to you. But just that simple, just that easy. Okay, now also just to mention, if you're looking for a specialty material, if you're looking for, let's say you want rhinestone on your shirt, or foil, or flock, or glitter, okay? If you want that custom, that special material, then just click on get a quote, okay? Fill out the information. Make sure you fill out everything. The more you fill out, the more information we have to go off of, the better the quote. Okay, so you fill out your information, pick the size of the shirt, short sleeve, long sleeve, hoodie, crew neck, how many, what size. Check if you want glitter, flock, rhinestone, glow. But if I were you, I would select all of them. Get one of each. Why? Because you want to support top 5%. Come on now. You got any extra notes? Fill out the extra notes. Submit. After you hit submit, it'll ask you if you want to upload a logo. If you have your own logo, you can upload it at that point. Or if you want us to custom design your logo or custom design your banner or your poster, hey, just let us know. We can do it for you. Not a problem. Okay. All right. So also, if you're looking to buy our brand of clothing line, just click on top 5%. Click on, let's say you want a lady shirt. Okay. And let's say you like that, pullover. You like the pullover. That's a nice pullover. Ooh, that's nice. Again, order 10 of them. Okay. Order 10 of the pullovers. All right. Add it to the cart. Share them with your friends and family. All right. But you can buy top 5% and represent top 5%. Okay. Okay. You like that? I know you do. I know you do. So I didn't want to keep this tutorial too long. I think I touched on just about everything. If not, you can always contact us, ask us questions, send us an email, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Okay. So I think this is where I'm going to end this tutorial. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys shopping with top 5%. Stay away from the other stores. Come over here. Support top 5%. We will definitely hook you up with quality products. Okay. See that? Bella Canvas. Quality products. Next level quality products if you want. Okay. We have products. I mean, you can design a shirt as low as $9.99 if that's what you're looking for. It's up to you. But just come to the site. Shop with top 5%. And I'm pretty sure you will be happy that you came by. Okay, so I'm going to end this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. And hope to see you guys soon. Later.